What's going on, guys? Today I'm getting ready to take the WRX to my first event since I've been down here in Florida. It is at the Bradenton, I think is how you say that, Speedway, which is literally, you could throw a stone from Bradenton Speedway over to the Freedom Factory from Cletus McFarland. So that's really cool. I kind of wish it was at the Freedom Factory because I've been wanting to check that out. But I live pretty close to it now, so I can always check that out at a later date. But I'm pretty excited. I haven't really got to do anything fun with the car in a while, and so this will be interesting. I'm planning on running the car. It's a $20 entry fee, and it really doesn't matter whether you run or not. You pay $20 to get in the gate, and that covers, you can either run the car or not run the car for 20 bucks, so might as well run it. So I have probably about an hour and a half drive to get down there, and then an hour and a half drive to get back here. So hopefully nothing happens and I don't blow it up. That would suck. Well, it only took almost 2 hours, but we're finally here.
At 107. It's really funny.
All right, so I'm going to sign the car up now in the registration booth. Gonna send it. All right, guys, we're getting ready to stage up. I got the last helmet they had, so that's good. There's a lot of fast cars here, so I'm not setting any records, but all I'm trying to do is beat my old record on my old WRX, which was a 12.3. So see if I can beat that. All right, I think I got a good view here finally. As long as this thing doesn't fly off and hit me in the face, we should be good. So we're doing the roll racing here now, not the traditional drag. We'll see how this goes.
He takes the win at 109 at 98.
Hey, Miss Man, you're still in a safety lane.
The first roll race I've ever done on a track, so I actually didn't floor it until I realized the Camaro was flooring it. Thank you. Cool. Mustang is f***ing fast. A lot of fast cars out here, guys. I'm probably one of the slower ones. I've seen his channel, the Tesla Plaid channel. That thing is just stupid fast. I know how fast they are. I got a ride in one like a week ago, and it's just brutal. This Focus over here looks pretty nasty. There's a lot of quick cars here. I think there's 3 or 4 GTRs here. I didn't see this one run yet. I saw one of the white ones run doing the roll racing, and it was quick. This Lambo over here, that thing ran, I don't even remember how fast. I think it was like 160 or something, which is just dumb fast. So originally my first run when we were doing the roll racing, I did a 114.8, and then second I clocked a 116.5. So I don't know if switching to the Send It map attributed to that, or if that was just a better race. I flat foot shifted a lot on that one, so we'll see. I don't know how I'm gonna perform on this next run, but I don't plan on launching the car more than once tonight, so hopefully it's a good one and one and done. Set the record, or at least get close to it. I try and break my record. So basically my last WRX, when I ran the 12.3, it was on stock summer tires, Dunlop summer tires. It had all the same mods as this one, except it didn't have the carbon drive shaft, it didn't have lightweight wheels, or the solid motor mounts and transmission mounts and stuff. So I'm hoping between the carbon fiber drive shaft and the lightweight wheels, solid mounts, that'll give me a little bit of an edge, as long as I can get out the gate like I'm supposed to, especially the grippier tires. I spun a lot on the stock summer Dunlop, so that's all I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to beat that. So it's better than the 12.3, because that felt a little rough. Oh, that was fun, man. Oh, there's some leftover Crown Vics over there to the right of me, from the Freedom 500 with the Crown Vics. That's cool. I felt like it bogged out just a hair at the beginning. I should have slipped the clutch a little bit, but that was my first run. I don't know. Maybe I'll do another one, maybe not. We'll see. Thanks. Ah, damn it! 12.4. That is stupid. Damn it. Another Subi, let's see. Ooh, he's rolling out. Well guys, I didn't beat my record. I ran a 12.4, so better luck next time. Kind of sad about it, but I don't want to keep running the car and breaking it, because it's my only car. So if something happens to it, I can't get to work and get to the store and other things. And Uber is expensive, so I would rather not blow up the car. But whenever I get a hoopty to drive around, we can build the living shit out of this thing.